today I will start from the basics. Okay, how actually ServiceNow is looking and what are the ServiceNow sales. All the things I will tell you. So basically, ServiceNow is a platform where not only you can create the ticketing, but you can do a number of projects with the process of automation. Okay, it's a main plus point of the ServiceNow. It it automate the entire process so that can work will be done in a fraction of seconds. Because in the business field, generally how business is going growing up, or how the market is elaborating the business, it totally depends on how fast you are doing the work. So the automation process of this service now will provide the entire fastness and reliability and security. All the operations are come in the service now. So that's why the service now is very important. Nowadays, service now has been increasing day by day. If you go for Naukri or a LinkedIn, you will check the possibilities of service now jobs. You will definitely get daily one post. You will definitely get from the LinkedIn and the service and Naukri.com. But depends on what the modules are they are teaching, what the modules are they want.
Sorry,
So
Venkatesh, in middle your voice is not audible.
now it's okay.
Ah, yes.
Just a minute. I'm audible now. I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm saying that if you see the LinkedIn or an Naukri.com, daily one post you will see on based on the service now they want some employees to work on the service now. They want to recruit some employees, but based on the modules, the criteria and the priority has been changing because service now is a vast subject. We cannot survive with one or two or three modules in the hand. You have to learn more modules so that we can grasp the good opportunity from the different organization. Okay, so you can see basic structure of service now. It's basically an workflow platform that helps the company's automation business process like IT support, HR request, security operation, customer service. This customer service comes under the CSM, okay, customer service management, and the security operations come under the SecOps. It's another module. HR requests come under the HRSD. So this is another module. So there is number of modules which all come together in the service now. So basically in ITSM, we actually study about the incidents, problem, change, service request, SLS, and these are the basically of basic structure of the administration and some part of service portal also. I will teach you the basic model of the service portal because service portal is the something different concept which is out of from the ITSM. Okay, but I will give you a small gist on it because it will help you to create some of the record producers, and it will help you to show in the dashboards and the reports. So these are all interlinked, so that's why I will give you some gist on it. You can easily make it, and you can easily implement it, so don't worry about that. And these are actually how the company use it to it manage like IT incidents. You know about the incident, how they are created. So employee life cycle, what are how the employee has been using this. Customer service request, how if a customer is sending want to get some request from the organization, how customers actually doing this come under the CSM. This actually based on what are the accounts, what are the services. So based on this we can study about the service now. Security operation, how data has been securized on the service now. Asset management, what is asset management means how your assets have been stored in the entire organization. This has been come under the ITAM. ITAM is something different concept. And procurement, this you know about that procurement, how large procurement, small procurement, how the company has been doing. So these are come under all this come under the service now organization only. So most largely companies run many internal workflows on the service now because, for example, there is a concept called integration in the service now. I'm the ABC company and you are the XYZ company. Let's imagine. I just want to send a incident from the service now to your company, but your company don't use the service now. So at that time, how it will help to raise the incident? It's come under the integration part. Like you are using some Jira, for example. You. I think you heard about Jira, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Jagdish, have you heard about Jira?
Yes, I had it like another ticketing platform.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. It's actually another ticketing platform, but mostly small organizations will use it for
Okay.
their basic, fulfillment of incidents type or like that. So it is one of the same platform only, but majorly it has something different. The concept when come, the integration concept when it comes now, I will teach you how you can integrate it. So this internal workflow also used by the service now only. Okay, today 85% of this is the actually basic uh, information about the service now only. So this is actually, you can see the market size. This is the market size. By 2026 it will be 15 plus 15 billion dollar. So this is how actually globally actually increasing day by day. So here actually main concept come, who can sell the service now actually. Service now itself is a direct company, but it actually maintains some large company uh, TCS is there, Infosys is there, Accenture is there. So they are actually taking that into their hands and they provide the customer solutions and customer services through that company. So this is how actually ServiceNow works. And the product partners are like that. You can see HR automation, compliance, industry solutions. So all the major, market built apps all come under these three only. So these are also one of the information about the organization or the service now implementation. And these are actually general things which you have to keep in your mind. That's it. It's not very information about that. So I already told you about the different modules like ITSM, ITOM, ITM, SecOps is security option. So all this come under the IT workflows only. So customer workflow, I already told you about, it's come under the CSM. So it's another one. Creator workflow is app engine, automation engine. If you study about in later classes, you will study about the flow designer. In that flow designer, you know about what actually the automation process will be do. Okay, majorly service now will be used between these three sectors like telecom, healthcare, and banking. Majorly because these three are 24 into 7 services: telecom, healthcare, and banking. So that's why this maximum, if any one of the sector will be breakdown, the entire system will be collapsed. So that is the reason this three has been uh, very much, depends on the service now, and service now depends on this three. So this is a vice versa on the give and take relation between the businesses. And so coming to the certification, ServiceNow certification is actually on the one is CSA, administration. Another is called the development part. After completion of CSA only, then only you can go to the developing part. So implementation specialist will be always on three things, like for example ITSM, ITAM, and CSM, because every organization, whichever organization is ServiceNow is using, these three will be a mandatory for them. So that's why you have to study apart from ITSM. You just go through the ITAM and CSM also, because every organization maintains these three standards. Apart from another modules like HRSD, SecOps, all the things. So you have to study. You have to see the broader aspect of the service, no. And coming to the how actually service, no, give your boost to your career path is like, first you have to do the administration, then developing, then consultant, and then architect. So these are actually how implementation has been working. Like for developing part, you know how to create an incident, how to manage an incident, how to assign an incident, what are the changes will be takes on the incident when incident will become. These all under come under the administration. After administration, the developing part, like an auto, how you should attach an automation platform to that incident. If an incident has been created, which group should be triggered first, which employee should get the message or a notification from the organization. So these all the come under the developing part. Consultant is like, uh, you have to build that type of automation process, though it will be taken minimum time, so it will be resolved in 0.5 seconds or 0.3 seconds. The entire automation will be come under that way. So it will depends on how you are developing your skills. It's come under the consultant. And architect is how you are developing the projects. It's actually one of the major thing in the service now. It is, if you get an experience in service now, like more than a 10 years or more than a 12 years, then only we can qualified as an architect. Otherwise we can't go into the architect directly. You have to grasp the entire project, then you have to design the entire project and start implementation the project. So these all under come under the architect only. It's actually very big thing. When you study slowly you will get to know things how it actually works in the organization. Then only you can go to the further step. And I think businesses, all the things are irrelevant to you, because this is actually based on how actually service now helps in the organization, all the things. So this is the basic structure how actually service now will uh, take you to the step. And yeah, now coming to the main thing. Yeah, have you heard about the ITIL, Jagdish?
Yes.
Do you have any idea about it? Can you elaborate it? What is ITIL?
In general term, it is the total IT process, day-to-day work-life process of the IT industry.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything more you want to add?
More
Yeah, you can
nothing
try it. You can try it. If you know, okay, you can try
like
it.
no English.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. I will tell you. See, this is actually basic structure of the service now. Before you step into the service now, you should keep these two things in your mind. One is ITIL and one is ITSM. Okay. What is ITIL means? It's actually a basic framework. Okay, policies and procedures. These are the basic framework for the IT organization. How you should approach that work. It is actually a guidebook. Okay. For example, you are going on the traffic, on a traffic signal. How can you know that if the red is come, you have to stop, green is you have to move on? So that is the thing, you can say it is an ITL for that. And you are implementing on the road, on the highways, on the road, and that is the service now. Okay, the basic structure and the basic policies procedures, that how you should implement it and what are the things you should do if an incident will come, if a problem will come, and how to change the change management procedure. So the things, but where should you implement? You have to implement in some tool called ServiceNow, and these all come under the ITSM. Okay, what is actually ITSM is actually it provides a scalable workflow to manage and deliver IT services to the users all through a single cloud-based platform, because all it is stored in the cloud. To that cloud only we can sharing our knowledge and implementing it. Through that cloud only we are just developing our business, so that it will be easy to implement and at the same time easy to access. So this is actually a definition of the ITSM, and this is the definition of ITI. So I think you got it, Jagdish.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah. So actually, I told you about the ITSM. So what are the ITSM tools are available in the market? Like ServiceNow is number one, Jira Service Management, Fresh. Actually, for computing the BMC software only, this service now has been came. So first it was only the BMC software was there. Now ServiceNow is also competitive to BMC. I think you have basic idea on Zoho. Now it is exploring in the India. So these are some of the things. These are the some of the tools which are top tools which are available in the market. So whatever uh, the public demand, it is actually switching. You know about the software, right? Software demands always switches to one thing to other thing. So depends on how you are learning one thing particularly or one tool particularly. It will take you to the understanding of the different tools too. So coming to the service now, we learn about what actually ITSM is. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based ITSM tool which is used to automate your business process and provide a best service to the customer. Actually, in lot of ServiceNow communities or in a internet or in a Google, you can search it what is ServiceNow. It will actually give you the ticketing tool. You cannot rely only on the ticketing, okay, in ServiceNow, because you have to make a large number of projects. You have to implement the projects and you have to deliver the customer customization of the some customers probabilities. See, it's come under the CSM. So it's not only a ticketing tool, it's actually cloud-based ITSM tool which automate an entire business process and provides the best services to the customers. So you can say it business process to automate to the customers to give the best output or to give the best you can take best allocate resource and design the process flow of those services. So after completing of the project also you have to give the services. So the entire you can mug up like that. And coming to the service now, how the service now has been divided, it's divided in three aspects: client, organization, and employee. Okay. First, coming to the client, uh, you are working in some ABC organization. A client has been came to you and he actually want to contact with you to uh, tell you that he have create you want to create an incident. So you want to contact with you with the phone, but the phone is not connecting to you. So there is a self-service portal for the clients. So I already tell you about service portal. So these self-service portals will be used by the clients to develop and how to generate a incident and interface power users. So we can use how an individual can do it, like not only the group. It can be increased, it can be done by the individual. So for the client we can give that purpose of developing how he can individually go to the portals and develop his own incident or any problem. So use it by the self-service portal. So this is actually how it is done. Like we can attach the automation process or self-service or improve efficiency, contribute to the significant cost saving in the IT operation. For organization, so how ServiceNow will use it, apart from automating tasks and workflows, it will actually focuses on how we can focuses on the strategic initiatives, because when a problem has been occurred, organization will see the root cause, like who is the person appropriate person to check that root cause of that different problem. So one is that, another is cost effective. For example, the problem incident has been occurred, or Wi-Fi router is not working. So if we attach that workflow flow designer to that incident by taking that word like Wi-Fi is not working, it automatically send the mail to that particular associated person. So it will actually directly sending the notification to that person without wasting the time and the cost to sending the different person. So if we can attach that automation process, it will improve the efficiency and the cost effective too. So these are the for organization. And coming to the employee, like we are the employees, we can see the dashboards and the reports. Like if you go to the portal page, we can employee portal page, there is a dashboard will be available. So in that dashboard we can see what are the incidents are associated with me and what are the works are associated with me, and what are the things which, for example, if an incident, yesterday an incident has been occurred, now you can see the status of that incident through the reports. So this is one thing which has been used by the employees too. So these three things will be come under the service now. Like one is the client perspective, another is organization perspective, and another one is employee perspective. So all three together combined, we can develop our business goals and improve our efficiency. So these are the things which are associated with the service now. And one last thing I have to teach. Okay, so I have told you about the modules, right? So there are actually, last time I have been recorded like 43 modules, but I think it has been like 47 modules. They are added some four modules see, extra. You can check it in the Google. Okay, so these are actually see ITSM, ITOMs, HR, HRSD, and OTMs. There are more than 43, but presently we are concentrating on ITSM. So we will see this how actually ITSM will work. And coming to the database of the service now, do you have any idea on database of the service now, Jagdish?
No, Venkatesh.
No. Okay, okay. Actually, it's Raptor DB, the new service now database. Because I'm giving the just example, like if you go any interview, no, they will ask this type question only. When you are perfectly fit for the developing part or administration part, they don't know what to ask another question on the service now. So they will see the background of whether you have been any you are whether activated in the communities or not, because these type of discussions will be done in the communities level. So it will actually help you. Raptor DB, the new service now database. Okay. Previously they use some MySQL or MariaDB, I think, but now they are using this one. And coming to the centers, service now center worldwide, it's Canadian, US, and Australia, Swiss. Okay, and coming to the India, it's only two things: Mumbai and Bangalore. So we are actually growing. I think next is Hyderabad also. Next one is coming to the Hyderabad. So this is actually a basic thing. Do you have any idea on PaaS, SaaS, Jagdish? Do you have any idea on PaaS, SaaS, like
Uh,
platform as a service, software as a service?
no, no, no. No, it has been so many years for me for that.
Okay.
Uh,
Actually, you can check it out in your free time. Okay.
okay.
Okay, this will help you like how things going in the service now, because it's always a debate whether service now is come under PaaS or a SaaS. Okay, platform service or a software service, it is always a debate. You can, after implementing the service now, then only you can tell that which area it actually covers. So this is how actually things going to work on it. So one is complete. Have you created your own instance, Jagdish?
Yes, one instance is there, and it has been so many days, right? I think it is deleted. I need to create it again.
Oh, you have to create it again. Okay,
Yeah.
you better create two instances. Okay,
Okay.
it will help you to if maximum it's a free instance. So
Hmm.
service now sometimes yeah, they actually delete one of the instance, because if you don't use for the long time,
Yes,
it,
yes.
it will be deleted from that from your main account. Then for second, if that's why you have to maintain two accounts. That will help you to regain that one in the second account too. I will
Okay.
tell you that when it comes the update sets concept,
Okay.
how you will transfer the data from uh, transfer the configuration from one instance to other instance, and
Okay.
how you transfer the data to large files data to the service now by importing the sets. So it will come under all the things come under this thing. So I will tell you each and everything. So let's go to the instance first. So this is my one instance. Okay. So this is my another instance. If you see, the entire UI has been I changed. I will tell you how to change it. It's come under the styles and themes. Okay, it is actually not come under the ITSM. It is different concept like UI theme. So it the because you don't be confused which instance you are using. So that's why I have been changing the entire UI. This is actually basic UI which is given by the service now. This is I have changed to the blue color. You can go change to this also, like preferences is there. I think some themes have been you have to change. So here the theme is available, right? Here you can see the default theme and another theme will be there. So dark theme also will be there. So if you put it the dark theme, it will come under the black color. So it will use it. Try to use that one too, because it will help you to differentiate between the two instances. Okay. You told that you have been studied about basic about incident, right?
Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me like how you can? Uh, okay. What is the difference between actually form design and form layout? Can you tell me? You have done the form design, form layout, right?
Yes, it will
Yeah.
be like a, okay.
Whatever you know, tell me.
It will be like once again. Could you please open that form design and form layout, because it will be like a interface, like a user
Yeah, yeah.
interface will be different
Yes,
for
yes.
the form design and form layout. So there will be a drag and drop options will be there in form design, I think so. Yes,
Okay.
here drag and drop options. You can do it from easily from this here. But
Okay.
in the form layout, you will get out of box columns like this slash
Yes.
bucket.
Yes.
From here, you need to select and click on that right arrow mark.
Okay. This one.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So you can remove it if you don't need from here selected.
Yes. Yes. Good. Good one. And apart from that, you can create the new field also. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you can create the new field.
Yes.
Don't go for necessary for the you for the tables directly.
Okay.
You can create it here also, so that it will save the time too. And it is actually an overview how actually incident form will look like. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, it's an overview. You can change here also by dragging and dropping. If you see, the fields have been available in the left side, so you can drag and drop too. Okay, and types also will be available, like what are the types, and if you want to create something new, you can will modify also here. Okay, you can change the field description type also, like if you go here, you can see what is actually the field name, what is the may things name, you can see, because this name will help you in the developing part. Okay,
Okay.
this short underscore description, this will help you in the developing part, like whenever you want to read a description, short description or a description part, you have to know about what actually its label name.
Okay.
Okay, it is actually label and what is actually name. So this name will be used in the that part. Okay. Okay, now tell me like how you are creating the incident. Like I got, you have got the mail like, please create an incident behalf of some XYZ caller. Okay, uh, the problem is like Wi-Fi is not working. So can you tell me like, and priority is high.
Okay.
So can you tell me like what are the possibilities?
I will go with the general process, which I'm doing currently.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You can share it.
Yeah. Okay. I will go to the filter navigator and I will type new. Under instance, I will click on the create new. Then it will open a form, instant form.
Yes.
Yeah, there I will give the caller name.
Okay.
And as per our client client database, that caller name and details will be there. Like if you give the GUID, it
Okay.
will get the automatically the caller ID, email, and everything.
Okay.
So coming to the PRT,
Okay.
here two parts will be there regarding the PRT, based on user role, like a director,
Yes. Yes.
uh, and other thing is based upon the issue which the
Okay.
user reached. So
Okay.
based upon that, we'll describe, and
Okay.
here we'll change the urgency impact.
Okay.
So it will go to the P1, 3 urgency will be high. Yes,
Yes.
P1. Yes. So configuration item will be based upon the KB knowledge base,
Okay.
and short description which the user mentioned,
Okay.
and
Like
description will be the same.
Wi-Fi
Like
is not working
yes,
for this.
yes, yes, and description will be a brief brief one, like when and what, like that.
Okay. Okay. Some date, for example.
Hmm. Hmm, yes.
Okay. Okay.
And here
Uh,
we'll assign it to the group. We'll
okay.
attach the KB and
Okay.
we'll assign it to the group.
Okay. Uh,
And
taking consideration as a knowledge base, you are selecting the group, right?
yes, yes.
Can you tell me the category and subcategory, like what we should be?
Network and others.
Okay. Subcategory, wireless.
Wireless. Okay. Here
Okay.
wireless is there. Okay.
Okay. You can add the choice also. Okay, I
Hmm.
will tell you how you can add the choices. For
Okay.
example, in network there is no wireless. How can you add the choice? I will tell you that one.
Okay.
Okay, coming to assignment group or assign to, because I don't need to assign a group. I just want to assign to that particular person. Then how you will do it? Like you are selecting here and you are just doing that, right?
Yes. Search
Yeah,
for. We'll get
yeah,
the Guida name will be there. Our email ID.
yes, yes. Based on that, you are. This actually the process is correct, but everything is correct. Based on category subcategory also, you can select the assign to.
Yes.
Okay, that is actually assignment rule is also there. Possibility are there.
Hmm.
You, I think you heard about assignment rule, right?
Yes.
Yes. So based on that one, you can study about assignment rule. You can, based on category and subcategory, you will assign the two all assign to that particular person and the group too.
Okay.
Okay, and the caller is like, if you will see that if the caller is possible is there, that if any terms of, for example, Raja Rao will be there, if he will get it. This is actually how the developing part will work. See, after caller selecting, I just the caller email ID has been popped up.
Yes.
Okay, so this is one of the developing part will come, and this is one of the administration part also.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, it automatically came. Then I will okay, select the okay. Then it will send the notification to that particular person.
Okay.
Okay, this is actually based on the automation process. Now I have one question.
Okay.
Based on the urgency and impact, how the priority has been coming. Like for example, I selected low, IoT is changing. Here I selected low, IoT is changing. So can you have any idea on it?
So priority, right?
Yeah, how the priority has been changing, because priority it is an read only. You cannot change it, the priority one. So based on the high, based on the urgency and the impact only, priority is changing.
Yes.
So do you have any idea about it, like how it is going to changing? It is
Act-
actually one of the main thing in the service now.
Okay. But we
Yeah,
have
try.
SLAs, right? SLAs based upon that it will change.
SLA is not actually that one. SLA is
Okay.
something, for example, I will show you. For example, I am here saving it.
Hmm.
Okay. I just saved it. Okay.
Okay.
After saving it, now SLA will start. Like for
Hmm.
example, if you come here, see SLS has been started. Okay. Here the SLA work will start. SLA is based on how fast you are reacting to that particular incident.
Okay.
Okay. Here we have two SLAs. One is response, another is resolution.
Resolution.
These are two types actually. It is actually big concept. I will tell you later.
Okay.
Okay. Keep in mind that based on the SLAs only, the business growth will be developed.
Okay.
Okay. How fast you are responding it, how fast you are resolving the incident. For example, the resolution time is, see, I have put it 1 hour. Okay. Here you can see priority one resolution. I have been set it as a 1 hour.
Okay.
So within 1 hour, you have to complete the incident. So if what happened, the 1 hour has been crossed, then what will happen? I will show you that type, that one also in later classes.
Okay.
Okay, here the SLA is not the thing. Here you think about it. Think about it. Like uh, I think once a time when you are working on incident, the question will be arising in your mind, like how it is going on. So can you just think about it? I will tell you like what to study on it, but just think about it.
Could you please ask that question again, once again?
Like based on the urgency
Hmm.
and priority, how actually priority is changing. Like for example, I'm setting it in medium impact. How the priority is changing to high. If I'm setting to low impact, then how it is going to moderate. If
It,
I'm setting urgency is low, then how it is going to planning.
it will be depend upon the issue and the person, right? And
Yes.
like see, if you only having facing the issue to connect the Wi-Fi, it will be a
Okay.
low.
Okay.
Like you can do it in within hours. Like if everyone in the industry is getting the same issue,
Yes.
it
Okay.
it is impacting their work,
Okay.
and deliverables will be affected, so it will
Okay.
be the high.
Yeah, that's actually correct.
Hmm.
Based on the criteria,
Hmm.
you can say that urgency we can set it, or impact we will set it. How large the impact has been going on.
Yes.
That's actually correct. That's not a thing. My
Hmm.
question is based on these two things. Like I'm setting high. For example, our Wi-Fi has been broken. Okay, a network issues has been locked down, or a server is crashed. Now my urgency is high. Okay, my impact is also high. Now based on these two things, why priority is changing? I'm not changing the priority. You
Like a
see,
mean, like a mean, it is taking like an average.
yes, it's automatically taking,
Yeah.
right,
Yes.
based on these two things.
Yeah.
So what is the concept between these two things? That is I'm asking.
Okay.
Like if the relation between the urgency and impact is changing, why the priority is changing? So I'm asking that one.
Okay.
Do you have any idea on it, or
No. Could you please?
no? No. Okay. Okay. Don't worry about that. This is actually called priority data lookup table. Okay,
Okay.
based on the urgency and the impact, it is actually called priority data lookup. Okay, I will show you. This is actually one of the table I have been created. It is actually case system management. It's come under the CSM. Okay,
Okay.
same thing, same. What are the fields are available in the incident? Same fields will be there. Caller, category, subcategory, everything will be there. So if I selected high, here also high, then it is changing critical. Okay, it's not an incident table. Okay, the table name is case system management. You can see the left side corner, table name based on the medium, and urgency is medium. Now it is changing to moderate. Okay, this is actually how it is changing. There is a concept called lookup table. Okay, This lookup table actually help you to get the possibilities of everything, of urgency and impact. For example, there are three choices: high, medium, low, right? And here is the three choices: impact, high, medium, low. Three choices, three choices. So what are the probability? 3 into 3, 9 probability will be there. Okay. We have to set the every possibility. Like if this is high, if this is medium, then automatically it will be changed. If this is high, this is low, what will be do? It will be moderate. So I have to check every possibility. So that is come under actually lookup table. So this is how actually a lookup table will be seen. This is actually I have done for the case system management, but in incident, ServiceNow will give you by default. Why I am teaching you? Because if you have come under developing part, the first case will be this only. If they told you that based on this thing, based on these two things, I have to change it. So you have to do like this only. So there are 9. I have told you 9 probabilities. So based on the 9 probabilities, this has been I created. Okay. So now today's work is you have to study about what is data lookup table. Okay. How data lookup table only study about the this thing only. Priority data lookup table only. How it is actually working on it. What are the things I have been working on it. Okay. First task. Second task is what are all the fields available in the incidents. How you study about the incident. For the field type, you cannot go directly to the configuration. Okay, you cannot go to the configuration and study from the form layout. It will actually create some chaos, means you cannot understand directly in the fields from here only. You have to study this in the table. System definition table.
They are nearly
Okay.
6,000, right? Oh no, 7,000 it is.
Which one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Total tables will be there. How you will search? You will directly search from this only. Okay,
Okay.
table incident. Okay, you can directly type. So which one is that? Our table is incident.
Instant.
Okay, you have to study this one also. What is incident task?
Okay.
Okay, what is incident? What is incident task? You have to study both the things. It will help you in the future actually.
Okay.
If you go this table, you will see fields are available here.
Yes.
Okay, I told you about the priority one, right? You can study the priority one also here. For example, I will show you. In the table, you can study about the priority also. So see here, problem priority data lookup means for the problem. Okay, priority case system, priority data lookup. Okay, this is the table which I'm using here. Okay, if you go here, how they are coming, that is the question. Okay, if you see here, the extend tables are using. Okay, here we have one column called extend tables. Here you can see data lookup matchup rule, matcher rules. This actually using that matchup. Okay, by this rule, based on the impact and urgency, the priority is changing. So this is how you should learn ServiceNow by step. Like first question, it should be arrived like how changing on the impact and urgency, how the priority is changing. Okay, uh, if what happen if I don't use the priority based on the urgency impact only, we can do it. Do it based on the urgency and this one only we can proceed the incident or not. Is the possibilities are there? If not, what are the things should we will learn about it? So these are the things you have to discuss in your brain, so that it will give you a lot of questions, and by that questions only you will find the ways. So I will told you about what is priority data lookup table. This is just a 1%. Okay, Jagdish, this is only just a 1%.
Okay.
Like this is one table activity has been extended. So what are the fields have been added? Impact, urgency. These two tables have been added. Okay, based on this two table only, you can see the things coming under. So these are the things you have to look up it. You will get it in the community also or YouTube also. So it's not very much important, but at least you can. It is incident table is already full fledgedly given by the service now, but in the background you have to study how it is actually working, so that
Yes.
will help you in the creating your own projects.
Okay.
Okay, this is one of the task, and second task is how actually what are the fields are available. Okay, you have to study the fields too. Why these fields are available, and all what are the types also you have to learn. For example, I will then types you have to study here. Okay, what is reference type, what is document id, what is integer type, what is date
Okay.
and time, okay, string. Because when you study about the service catalog, this type will help you.
Okay.
Okay, service catalog means creating a service request. It will help you to create from this side.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the reason you have to study about the type also. And what is the column name? Like if I problem is the column label, then what is the why it is coming under I problem ID? Can we
Underscore ID.
change it
Okay.
under? Can we change it? If not, why not? So you have to just search on it, research on it. Don't go deep on it. Just research on it. It will help you how to uh, in the making of implementation part in the advanced or a developing part. It will help you
Okay.
actually what are the things, and uh, you have to study on it. And another main thing is what is sysid. Okay, sysid is actually if you see, this is an incident. Every incident or every table has some unique identification which is called as sysid. For
Yes.
example, this is the sysid of this one. Okay, where you can see the sysid. If you see this url, you can see here the sysid is here. Okay, have you seen here url?
Yes.
Okay, this is an sysid. This sysid actually used in different format. Okay, for integration type, or you want to change the particular configuration to that sysid incident only, you can use the sysid.
Okay.
Okay, if you are creating one incident here in the instance one, it automatically want to create in the incident two. Okay, you can use it through the incident sysid also. I will show you like that. I will show you one thing. I think I have stopped that one. I will see. This is an another instance. Okay, this is one instance. This is another instance. I'm working on another instance. See, I have created one incident in the instance A. What is the incident? Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, short description. I have integrated this incident instance to this instance. It automatically created the incident here too. See, Wi-Fi is not working, and we have set up the category network and a subcategory wireless. Why the caller name didn't pop up? You know, because here Raja Rao is the person who has been caller. In this instance, Raja Rao was not saved, so that's why it has been not pop up. So this is one of the integration project type. Like if you create one incident in the here in one instance, it automatically created in another instance. So this is one of the project. So in coming classes, you will learn about more on the project. So don't worry about it. Okay, I will tell you everything. So can you tell me about your background? Like where are you? Where are you from? Uh, what do you have studied?
Okay. Actually, I'm from Karapa, Andhra Pradesh.
Your voice is not clarity. I think some disturbance is coming. Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm from Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. I did my BTech in Anavacharya. It is also in Kadapa. And now I'm working in TCS in Bangalore.
Okay. How many you have any siblings or you are the only child?
I'm the only child.
Okay, you are the only child. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Myself actually Venkatesh. Okay. I am from Visakhapatnam.
Hmm.
I pursue my up to 10th class. I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Kharagpur. After that, I came here in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. I completed my BTech in Miracle Engineering College, Vijayanagara.
Okay.
And I started my career in IT actually in 2020.
Hmm.
Okay, I have 5 years experience in the service now only because I started my career in the service now only.
Okay.
Presently, I'm working in the Start IT Now company, which is located in the Bangalore.
Hmm.
And my role is to develop the things which has been given by my manager, and I have to complete my tasks within the period of the time. Now I'm leading one of the project with my teammates. It's actually entirely an integration project.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my overall career on my IT sector and my background too.
So you're staying in Bangalore?
Uh, you can tell me?
Uh, I'm staying in Bangalore or Visakhapatnam?
No, I'm staying in Visakhapatnam only.
Okay.
My company is very small company, small organization. It's a
Okay.
startup type life. It has been started in 2018 actually.
Okay.
So after that, I got the opportunity to work with them. Now I'm full-fledged working on with them on the
Okay.
service now only.
Great.
So tomorrow same time, okay, 1:30.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Tomorrow you have to complete the tasks. First, I will check the task. What are you studied about it,
Okay.
and after that, we will continue with the classes.
Okay.
What are the implementations? What are the lists? What are the views? So we will go one by one. I don't want to hurry up. I just go on the slow process. Okay. After that, you because we go in a hurry, no, you cannot catch all the things which actually required in the service now in the broader perspective.
Okay.
Okay, so I cannot, for my benefit, I can skip the classes or I can go for the hurry, but I just don't want like that. I just want to go calm and a slow pace so that we can understand everything in the service now. So try to make your own instance. Okay,
Sure.
try to make an account in the ServiceNow community. I think
Okay.
same thing will I will show you how actually ServiceNow community will work. Once I will show you, you will definitely get it. So this is my ServiceNow community. Okay, welcome to the ServiceNow community. So see how many peoples are there in the online present. There are 33,000. So like 34,000. Okay, these are the members and these are the posts. Okay, you can search, like if you don't get the you stuck on one of the project, like for example you have been stuck on the topic called UI policy. If you search it, you will get it how actually US policy, how many posts are there on based on the UI policies. Okay, so if you see, hello community, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share some UI policy with some examples. Hope it will help you. So if you open it, no, then it will show how what are the UI policies. And if you open this one, no, UI policies and data policy, it will help you to communicate with them, and you try to implement on your instance. Okay, so this is how actually community will work. Okay, the same thing, same login only you will use it. Same login you will use it. So this will actually help you to communicate with the different things. If you ask any questions, you just your type here, ask the community. You go here. The subject is based on which subject. For example, it's a developing part or administration. Select a board. Like if you want which board, uh, it's actually which board you want to know. Okay, you can select based on your criteria. You can ask your questions. Like if you want to ask any questions, you can type here. Apart from that, if you want to you you don't means you don't know how to ask a question, uh, you can attach a screenshot also. Okay, here you can see, drag and drop. Here you can attach a screenshot, and here you can ask the question like, this table, for example, this table, this number is not popping up, how can you do it? So they will give some suggestions also. Based on that, you can see, you will get different types of answers, not only one. You can get a different types of answers. Based on these answers, you can implement on your form. After that, it will help you to regain it. And after the solution has been come to you, if the solution is suitable to that your question, then you have to give the some badge type, like you have to give mark type, like answer is correct. Okay, because that will help you to the others also. Okay, Jagdish, so this today, this is for today. I have given you the task, so please complete by tomorrow.
Okay.
We will
So what
start
about the
the
recording
class on the
session?
third. Yes, yes.
What about the recording session? When I will get that?
Recording I will send you by night.
Okay. Is there
Okay.
any total like see tech part and some domain is there, right? So in that domain I need to get that, or in the drive I will get that.
I'm sorry, Jagdish, you are not audible. Actually, some voice is coming whenever you are speaking.
Okay. Now it is clear.
No, no, it's not clear. It's not clear.
Okay.
Previously, it was clear. Initial time, it was clear. Now, it's some
Okay.
disturbance is coming.
Okay. I don't know why it is. It's okay. Yeah.
No, actually, the voice actually has been increased totally. So it's actually, cracking sounds have been coming whenever you are. I think change the that setup music setup of you know mic type.
Sure, sure. I will do it. Okay, but the thing that I want to ask you is like these recordings will be there in a drive, like a Google Drive, or in the mail.
I will try to give it in the Google Drive only, but my Google Drive is completely full.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to share the video directly if possible. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
you can send me the one message, one WhatsApp message through my number. Hi, this is Jagdish.
Okay. Sure.
So I can send you directly, or I will post it in the group.